DXC offers vital support to the Defence Forces of Australia and New Zealand, supporting the warfighter from recruitment to discharge. We drive innovation and deliver advanced ICT capabilities that make a real difference across a wide area of operations. We're always delivering operational excellence.
I had the honour to work in the Navy for 20 years as a combat systems supervisor, specialising in aircraft control. I joined DXC as it was an opportunity to use my past experience in the Navy to make a difference to defence capability. DXC has a unique position in the defence landscape, being a long-term partner. DXC is passionate about supporting defence with cutting-edge technology. By having the best simulation systems, defence personnel can be the most prepared for war and peacetime operations.
DXC Defence, applying today's digital technology to prepare for tomorrow's missions for over 45 years of partnership.